Kontur here, folks. Today we have another customer project in the world of infrastructure right here in Boston, Massachusetts. DGT Associates completed a great utility project using their Kontur system. Eversource, New England's leading energy provider, hired DGT Associates to map the most feasible route to connect new and existing substations. The goal was to find the optimum routes for construction while minimizing disruption, minimizing the risk of utility conflicts, and protecting existing infrastructure. Eversource's project team needed a thorough understanding of the underground utilities surrounding the potential transmission routes. As surveying efforts began by utilizing photogrammetry to capture a large-scale aerial photo of the potential routes scouted by Eversource, DGT then established ground survey control to establish control networks throughout the streets that were being considered for the final design. Attention then shifted to collecting legacy data from both public and private sources. DGT collected over 10,000 underground files and compiled and presented the records in a single uniform composite utility plan in CAD format to Eversource's design teams. One of the key components to DGT's success in these types of major projects is the verification of traditional utility locating using a unique wide-array, multi-frequency, high-speed data acquisition ground penetrating radar (GPR) system. The Kontur 2.1-meter antenna was specifically chosen for this effort after testing other systems in this unique urban environment. The wide array from Kontur GPR gave DGT the depth of detail not normally found in utility maps. Buried vaults, undocumented tunnels, abandoned systems, unrecorded new telecommunication networks, and layers of history are often exposed and included in DGT submissions. While these anomalies may not seem extremely important, these details are often contributing factors that trigger project delays, project claims, and escalating project costs. Uncovering as many surprises as possible for the design team allows designs to include more clear and concise information in construction documents. The final deliverables included much more than a comprehensive 2 and 3D position of underground utilities, but subways, underground tunnels, utility vaults, abandoned facilities, bridge approach slabs, underground tanks, and buried tram tracks were all documented in the final deliverables for the designer's analysis and consideration. DGT will have completed thousands of vacuum test holes and trenches to obtain precise underground measurements and uncover potential utility conflicts. Today, as the final stage of the project, we're in the process of completing AS38 22 Quality Level A surveying for the top 5 chosen routes. Thank you for reviewing our Boston utility project featuring their Kontur GPR system. Contact DGT Associates for your next project, and you can find out more about Kontur's next generation GPR technology at kontur.tech.